This is the Lockly Smart Lock. The patented keypad is powered by Pin Genie, an advanced algorithm system that protects your access codes from being guessed by unwanted guests. Digits are distributed randomly across 4 buttons and are different every time, making it hard to guess the correct sequence. Our Bluetooth-powered smart locks can be unlocked conveniently with our mobile app. With the app, you'll be able to manage who comes and goes, and grant access to guests even if you're not there. Best of all, with Lockly's patent-pending offline access code, Lockly is the only smart lock in the world that does not need to connect to the internet to receive access requests and allows guests to unlock with their unique access code. The codes automatically get revoked after your preset duration, making remote management simple even if your lock is located in a location without internet access. With all this technology, you can also unlock the smart lock with a physical key. Lockly Secure works universally for most doors and is available in Deadbolt and Latch editions. Lockly, come home secure, essential to every household.
Do you need an easier or more convenient way to enter and secure the doors to your home? Consider installing a Honeywell electronic deadbolt entry lock. Up to 50 different user codes can be programmed for family, friends, or guests to enter your home easily. The Honeywell electronic deadbolt lock comes in 4 different finishes to complement all home decor styles. Before attempting to install your Honeywell digital deadbolt, remove your existing door's deadbolt, or start with a pre-drilled door. Refer to the instruction manual on how to prepare your door jamb if it requires an adjustment. If you are installing the lock on a door that is not pre-drilled, please follow the instructions in the manual on how to mark the door for drilling and adjusting to fit the strike plate. The Honeywell Digital Deadbolt Door Lock package contents includes English, Spanish, and French instruction manuals, an interior assembly with mounting plate, exterior assembly with keypad, the deadbolt latch, 2 entry keys, the deadbolt strike plate, and required screws. If working with a pre-drilled door, the only tool required for installation is a Phillips screwdriver. See the manual for any other tools required for doors that require drilling. If you plan to register your digital lock purchase with Hyman Inc., please make note of the production date on the inside of the exterior assembly. The first step to installing your new electronic deadbolt lock is to install the deadbolt latch. To determine your door's back set size, measure the distance between the edge of the door and the center of the lock. The deadbolt latch set comes with the back set at 2 3/8 inches, that's 60 millimeters. If necessary, it can be converted to extend to a 2 3/4 inch or 70 mm backset distance. Refer to your manual for detailed instructions. Make sure to retract the deadbolt latch when installing. It is important that the arrow on the latch extension plate faces up when you push it in the door. The cross-shaped spindle connector should be at the bottom. Using the 2 screws provided, secure the latch into the door with a handheld screwdriver. Remove the mounting plate from the interior assembly with a Phillips head screwdriver. Determine the handing of your door while standing outside your door. If the hinges are on the left, it's a left-handed door. If the hinges are on the right, then it's a right-handed door. Set the door handing switch to L or R depending on whether you have a left-handed door or a right-handed door. Next, set the interior assembly knob for left or right-hand doors. Left-handed doors should have the knob set horizontally. Right-handed doors should have the knob set vertically. Insert the exterior assembly onto the door. Insert the tailpiece going through the deadbolt latch set cross-shaped spindle connector in the vertical position. Route the control wire through the door under the deadbolt latch. From the side marked "This side against the door," route the control wire through the rectangular slot in the mounting plate. Secure the mounting plate to the exterior assembly using the 2 7/8 inch or 22 mm screws. Hand tighten with a Phillips screwdriver, leaving them loosely connected. Do not over-connect. Use care to attach the control wire male plug to the interior assembly female socket connector. Position the interior assembly over the vertically positioned tailpiece and carefully push the interior assembly against the door. Using 2 5/16 inch or 8 mm screws and 1 1 inch 25 mm screw, attach the interior assembly to the mounting plate. Slide the battery cover up and remove. Insert 4 AA high-quality alkaline batteries into the battery compartment. Replace the battery cover and slide down onto the interior assembly to cover the batteries. Always test the lock with the door open. Test the lock by turning the interior knob with the door open. The bolt should move smoothly in and out. Then, test the lock using the keypad.